Gonna battle for $3 dollar. Okay, so the current Okay, so Star got eliminated in episode 1. Pentagon, you also got 0 votes. So you better watch out, okay? Cause like nobody wanted you in. Oh, wow, I should probably become nicer. Well, too late now. Because well, I'm gonna let you all chit chat for like 2 minutes. Circle. Um, I'm glad. I'm extremely glad on how we were able to do this. Just look at the baby. I know. He's so beautiful. What do we name him anyways? Dude, are you demented? In the hospital, we said we would name him Whitey. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Mwah. Did you just did you just did, you guys should get a fucking room. You guys are disgusting. Like actually, you guys are disgusting. Man, we're sorry. Goo goo gaga. Black side of triangle. What white side of triangle, dude? What do you want? I'm thirsty. Fuck off. Man. Man. I'm really afraid of microwave ovens. Microwave ovens? Ooh, that's a good idea of the challenge. Your challenge is escape the world's largest microwave oven. Wait, wait, what? Oh yeah, by the way, thank you, world's largest microwave oven. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to remove your limbs now. No! You guys. Okay, let me get this straight. I'm over here chilling in my microwave oven that I finally got into after, let me guess, 8 years after being trapped in a fucking cave. And you guys have the audacity to sneak in. But listen, it's a challenge. Spray paint. Shut. No, no, my husband, my husband, no. Honestly, I really don't care. Hey, can you punch the wall, please? I got you. I got you. Yeah, I'm out. Whoop. My husband. I gotta take it with me. But no, I gotta stay here with him. Yeah, I don't really care. I'm just gonna go. Me too. This might be an escape for me. Finally, after years of torment. You gotta be, you gotta be kidding me. turn the microwave oven on. What? Oh, you guys can't see that. I'll cut that out. So yeah, it's pretty obvious who's up for elimination. These two died, and you, Pentagon. I don't like you. Dude, fuck you, man. Fuck you. Well, anyways. Alright, so you either have to vote square, circle, or pentagon. Square is A, circle is B, and pentagon is C. That kind of looks like me, you know. Maybe that'll be a hint for another episode. Well, time to do the end screen or whatever it's called. Is it out? Is it out yet? Yes. I my child. Goo goo gaga. I'm a baby. Wah. Man, I'm. I'm so proud. Goo goo gaga. Damn. Nah. Finally, it's out. What are we gonna be naming it? I don't know, like Whitey Guy or some. I don't know, like Whitey Guy or like something. Like I